Welcome back to I.T Insider. Have you ever tried changing margins in Microsoft Word, but the units show up in centimeters instead of inches? Let me show you how to fix that. First, go to the File tab, then click Options at the bottom. In the Word Options window, select Advanced from the left menu. Scroll down to the Display section. Under Show Measurements in Units of, change it from centimeters to inches. Click OK, then go back to your margin settings. Now you'll see the units are in inches instead of centimeters. This is I.T Insider. If this helped, like the video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick word tips.